How to fix Google Gemini when it's not working. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If Google Gemini isn't responding or keeps failing, there are a few common causes behind it. In most situations, the issue is either related to connectivity or something happening on Google's end. Sometimes Gemini goes down due to maintenance or backend outages. When that happens, there isn't much you can do except wait for Google to resolve it. If Gemini isn't loading at all, this may be the case. And the next reason might be your internet connection. So unstable or slow internet is one of the most frequent reasons Gemini stops working or freezes during a request. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if performance improves. You can also open another app or website such as YouTube or any other website to check whether content loads smoothly. If everything else is lagging as well, your network is likely the problem. And over time, temporary files can build up and cause errors. You can start by deleting old conversations you no longer need inside Gemini. For a deeper clean, you can open your phone settings and locate Gemini. After that, you can offload the application. Keep in mind this will remove saved settings and require you to sign in again. And running an outdated version can lead to compatibility problems. So you gotta open the App Store, search for Google Gemini, and install any available updates. New versions often fix bugs and improve stability. If you're accessing Gemini through a web browser, try turning off browser extensions such as VPNs, ad blockers, or script modifying add-ons. These can prevent Gemini from loading or functioning properly. And these steps cover the most common reasons Gemini stop working and how to resolve them. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.